Hey guys, Paige here. I've been invited down by Simon and Cameron today to come and check out what they're doing. We've got a fit out on the Prado 150 today. They're hooking this one up for CT Tinting. Best tinting in Brisbane and really good friends of ours. Let's go and check out what the boys are doing and see that they know what they're up to. Working hard or hardly working, you two? I just finished telling the guys that we've got a fit out for our good friends from CT Tinting. Prado 150 today, so we've got to make sure we're doing a bloody good job on this one. Alrighty, boys look pretty ready to get your hands dirty, so what are we starting with today?
Alright, we'll get the old ones off first. We've got our bolts and we've got our spacers ready to go. We've got our phones for selfies. We're like, heroes! They do like hand stuff, I don't know, but
Expectation. Reality.
Yep. Okay, stop giggling. All right, we've got the front plate off and now the back plate off.
So just before we go ahead, this is the first time I've been under a 150.
Yeah.
Do these have to come off?
No, you don't want to take those off. They're the radiator brace. Plus, they'd be involved with the crash testing of the vehicle, so there's no way I'd touch those.
So
we're going to go over the top of them.
Yep.
A lot of questions that I'll get with the bash plates and all that is, do they fit with the diff drop? This is your front diff here where your CVs go out to your wheels. So what a diff drop essentially is bringing it down to make your CVs level when you put up a higher suspension lift. The plates will not fit with the diff drop, but we can make diff drop plates to suit the vehicles if needed. So just bring one in and I'll design them up and get them made for you. Let's just prep now for the transmission plate. So what we're gonna do is just take these arms off. What we need to do is just take one off the side, just bring them around. Just let me get the one on here. There you go, just pivot around. Yep, beautiful. And then we'll just take off the little tinny thing they have on their transfer case. There we go. All right, cool, it's done. All right, now we're prepped up to start fitting up the plates.
So we've got 3 plates here for the 150. Which one goes on first?
We've got the front sump transmission. We'll start with the sump plate and then we'll slide the transmission plate in together. Prep up plates as we normally do. Okay, you grab the plate. So where are we looking? Up to these holes here.
All right, and which way does it go around?
That's forward. Okay, that way. Okay, get you in there. Just put one at the back there to hold it for now. Okay, grab the front plate.
Work smarter, not harder.
All right.
So these tabs?
Yep, so they're gonna slot into there.
On top of the washers?
Yep, there we go. Yep, there she goes. Okay. Okay, that's the front plate on. Now when we get that up there, we can screw that into that, so make everything look difficult, don't we?
Yeah, we like to do that.
All right, get the plate in. Slide it up into here. Just take it forward. Okay, slide it forward, Cameron. Back. Okay, we're just gonna have that hold there. Bring your arms over. All right, now it's in place. Straighten her up. There we go.
And that's where these 2 spacers go in?
That's right, we can put the spacers up in there.
Top. Line them up with the hole.
Yep. Beautiful. Okay.
So these arms, they just bolt into...
Yep, so it's just gonna bolt and they'll hold the plate on. We'll probably just use the stock bolts to go back on this one. Okay, so.
One great thing about these plates that they're already pre-drilled, they go back into the factory holes.
Yeah, that's right. Factory holes, you don't have to worry mucking around drilling holes or putting anything in the cross members and stuff like that. So we'll just use the bolts that already supplied it. All good. Now see how much more coverage there is?
Heaps more, comes right back, almost past halfway of the car.
It's to protect that transfer case, you know? And now it's just a matter of tightening all the bolts up. So what do we always do?
We use the 12-volt rattle gun.
Why?
Because anything else will snap the bolt.
Or wreck the thread.
Or wreck the thread.
Yeah.
And we know how much we hate that.
Yeah. Then you've got to get nut certs and all that sort of stuff. Okay. Now notice we also got sump access as well. Now, with these being a 3mm stainless steel, great for towing because it keeps the weight down. Once you're sucking up to 4 or 5mm stuff, and then your GVM goes up, and that's, we know a lot of Prados are good for towing. And then we can also screw, if you've got the stock bumper,
Yep.
The plastic back end, a lot of bull bars do have a front plate that will come down to the bash plate, and you can screw them in as well with the threaded holes.
Okay, but this will stop it flapping around anyway.
Alrighty guys, one of the most essential upgrades for your four-wheel drive has definitely got to be one of these bash plates from Custom Offroad. Simon, can you tell us a bit about it?
Yep, so we use stainless steel, either 3mm or 4mm, depending on your vehicle and your driving style. Some people like to go a bit wild. So if you want to get a set, jump on customoffroad.com.au.
Look, I reckon Chris will be pretty stoked with this.
Oh, he's gonna love them.
Beautiful. What do you reckon, guys? Give us a like, leave us a comment. If you want your own, jump onto the website, customoffroad.com.au.